Today I'll be talking about Alzheimer's disease. It's a slow, progressive, age-related neurodegenerative disease of the brain which is characterized by deposits of protein. So there are amyloid plaques that are deposited inside of the brain, because of which the nerve cell lose their function, and it also causes shrinkage of the brain. Now, what is the causative factors of Alzheimer's? It is basically found in families, it is genetically inherited, and secondly, because of the age related problem. Third, because of the lifestyle errors, smoking, drinking, and poor eating habits, not sleeping on time. All this leads to oxidative stress. Apart from that, if there is a metabolic syndrome, that is high blood pressure, diabetes, or the lipid profile is not maintained, because of which there is poor blood supply to the brain, all this can give rise to this problem of severe memory loss, that is, or the dementia, that is the Alzheimer's problem. Now, what are the symptoms? Symptoms are basically he's not able to remember the past or the recent events, he's not able to recognize his loved ones, and there is problem with decision making, there's confusion, loss of clarity, and his normal day to day activity is disrupted. So he continuously needs help from the surrounding people. Now, what is the way out? The diagnosis is the most important thing. The early we diagnose with help of medication, we can retard or slow down the progress of the disease. Secondly, activities such as puzzle solving or listening to music, the therapies can definitely help the patient remain active. So it's basically diagnosis should be quick, therapy will work, and very important is the help given by the caregivers.